Alright, I think Mark's going to sing another song for you now.
Yeah, it's not confirmed. I think it's written by Anon. He's pretty prolific, that Anon guy.
Yeah.
We think this particular Anon was definitely an Irishman. Because he came out with one of the best chat-up lines ever. If it wasn't for the alligators, sure, I'd sleep out in the woods. Anyway, you'll know it.
What's this one called?
Called the Lakes of Ponchartrain. Okay. One fine March morning, I bid New Orleans adieu, and I took the roads to Jacksontown, my fortune to renew. I cursed all foreign money, no credit could I gain, which filled me heart with a longing for the Lakes of Ponchartrain. I stepped on board of a railroad car beneath the evening sun, and I rode the roads till evening, and the sun went down again. All strangers here, no friends to me, till a dark girl towards me came, and I fell in love with the Creole girl by the Lakes of Ponchartrain. I said, me bonny, a Creole girl, me money here's no good. If it weren't for the alligators, I'd sleep out in the woods. You're welcome here, kind stranger, though our house is very plain. But we never return a stranger out by the Lakes of Ponchartrain. Well, she took me to her mommy's house and treated me right well, and the hair upon her shoulders in jet black ringlets fell, to try to paint her beauty, it would all be in vain. So handsome was my Creole girl by the Lakes of Ponchartrain. marry me. She said that could never be, for she had got a lover, and he was far at sea. She swore that she would wait for him, and true she would remain, till he returned to his Creole girl by the lakes of Ponchartrain. So fare thee well, my Creole girl, whom I never shall see no more. But I'll ne'er forget your kindness, or your cottage by the shore, and at each store shall gathering a flowing glass I'll raise, and I'll drink a health to the bonny girl by the lakes of Ponchartrain. Yes, I'll drink a health to me Creole girl by the lakes of Ponchartrain.